Welcome back to the 5 Minutes or Less series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop your classes. If you're interested in how to learn how to register, you need to watch the video on how to register. This video is going to assume that you already know that step. Okay? So the first thing you need to do, let's say you've already done your schedule and you've got to make some changes. Now let me explain something. Adding and dropping period doesn't run all semester. You only can add and drop classes at the beginning of the semester. Typically for fall and the spring, it might be the first 5 days. In the summer, it may be 1 or 2 days, or maybe 3 at the most. So you have to pay attention to that small window, and you're really just making changes to your schedule or making adjustments. Okay? So let me go. We're going to go to current students. We're going to click on My Lawson. Remember, My Lawson is where you go for everything. It's where you check your schedule, print off your schedule, make your schedule, drop and add, check registration information, of course, as well as financial aid. So remember, this is your hub. So you're going to go ahead and log in to the dashboard here, and then click on students, and you're going right back, click on student landing page. You're going right back to where you were to register. You're basically going to the registration portal, click on registration, and you will remember after you click on registration, you're going to click on yes, register for classes. So you're going right back to where you built your original schedule. That's what you're trying to get to. Make sure you select the right term where you built. So last time I was out here, I did the fall schedule for myself. So I'm looking for my fall schedule for the purposes of this video. So it looks like I just registered for 2 classes. So if I want to drop, let's say that, my work schedule got really loaded and I just can't take the virtual class anymore. I have a conflict. I'm going to keep my online class, but I'm going to drop my virtual class. This is how easy it is. You come over here under Action, bring down that hashtag, and then select Web Drop, and hit Submit. And we're just going to wait for it to process it, and you'll see that it's deleted. And what I always tell students to do is to get it off your record completely by hitting Submit again, and it should wipe it out completely. There you go. And that class is now dropped. There won't be any issues with attendance or financial aid. So you have to make sure you complete the full step. Make sure you always hit that Submit button and you see it being removed. If you want to bring it back, it's very easy to bring it back. All you have to do is hit the Enter CRN number and bring back that course by putting in the, I'm going to put a fake one in, putting in the CRN numbers and add to summary, and you can see that I just brought the same course back in, but it'll bring in your next course, okay? But you just learned how to drop and add a class. And again, if you need more information about how to register, please check out the video on how to register for your classes. Have a great semester.